Put almonds with salt on a plate, and watch what happens. To remove the negative energies from the home, nothing better than the almonds with salt. This way you will neutralize the bad energies, improve the economy and restore harmony. Life is energy, did you know? There is energy in your body, in the environment, in the universe and everywhere. There are also energies in food products. Some of them have been used for centuries. Negative energies can lead to serious problems, so we must learn to eliminate them, do not you think? The rational mind cannot assimilate some remedies and rituals, which are a challenge to logic. Few people believe in this. This magnificent product hides multiple beneficial properties, not only for health and beauty, but also from an energetic point of view. Remember to share this home trick with your friends and family. Just by reserving a place in your life and in the environments where you usually stay most of the time to this product, with an unmistakable aroma, will take away the negative energies. All you need is almonds and a plate with salt. How to do it? 1. To clean the bad vibes that you absorbed in the day, put in an almond dish. 2. Surround the almonds. Put salt of grain inside the same container and place it where more transit in your house. In this case can be the dining room. 3. You can also put it aside, on the wall or on the floor. 4. On the next day, do not touch the almonds. Put it in a plastic bag and throw it away from your house. Repeat it for at least 7 days in a row and you will see how you will feel better.